Hi, I'm gonna make a Christmas alien trap beat. So first, I'm gonna pick a sample. No, I want something more Christmassy, you know? No. That might be the one. So I put it in the project and make it match the thing. 196 ppm. No. We put that on a bus. 17. What I always do to melodies is this. And maybe this. And then on the master, I always do stereo shaper, but boom, 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 boom. I just like how it sounds. A bit too loud, so I turn it down, and then I EQ this. To make bass for the bass. The next step would be, do I want a fat bass or not? I think I'll just pick a generic one. I'm like that. Turn this off and make it goodly. Put pattern 1 down, that's the bass. It's good to always start with the bass and add it to the melody, then you add the drums. Sometimes. And then most of the time I make the bass even like more aggressive. Like that's fine. Copy paste. Boing. Hello, my root beer. That should be it. Let's hear it. Let's make it a bit unique. I likey. Likey.
Likey?
Look at the snare. This one fits. I don't think it does. Now, let's do the hi-hats. I love this hi-hat. As short as possible. To help out with my 808s, I'm gonna add this Snare. What will I get as a snare or a perk? Perk 30? I think we make it even faster. Then we go to the hi-hat. And then we help it along. So what that means is look at the hats where the snares are. Always save your shit. Chris. Now what this needs, one more thing, is a kick. Kick in the nuts. My favorite kick is rack. I need to make the limiter. Comp. Boom. That sounds good. Now I have to mix it. Keep that on. Oh yeah. The final touch. Just to spice it up. Alright, I think that's good. That sounds awesome. Let's put the tag on that beat. Put the tag on that bitch.
This beat from outer space.
Awesome.
This beat from outer space.
That was the Christmas beat. I didn't expect it to turn out this well. It's a vibe in my opinion. I'm gonna drop it on Christmas, I think. Maybe. That was my video. Thanks. Bye.